I challenge you. Honor MLA. Do we have honor? Is this honor? Am I to blame? Is this the honor of our people? Ground me in witness this, whether we are an honorable people or not. It is time we rise up. Every single area that is due to us, God-given right, constitutional given right, Mia ke sath football player dinga athumui iwi mie de kli shuru iwi year ne brani of this is my share aji shi muirang ona jang reolga at the highest levels ISL le bangreo de kli tangkol we khudi thot thumna ti bangreo ke sabta kli yuru thot mi thumna hang yang bangreo sabta how ko pokai thum thot na ho pok mi ngapai thui khai mi nang pai thui sarare. If there was equal playing field, we will admit defeat. Because when everything is drained, that is something which we should never, ever compromise on. Not only challenge me, let us stand up, rise together, and when next. Kita datam rak datam thanli. Idun kuni thot kitong kisip urum laga. Thankful we honor, thankful we kaya, learning to live inclusively with our people together as one, growing with a sustainable economy. Ring room vayavang semkagi jihili. Honor mulayla. There is no other way. And in honor there has to be truth. And in truth there has to be unity. And in unity there is God. There can be no unity. And without truth there can be no unity. There has to be truth in everything that we do. Aji as UDSA President, in my limited capacity, with my team, with the full elders of UDSA, Bunpun Village Authority, Kalahili, Long Now Bing Sang, school authorities Sang, the total cooperation is past nearly 2 months. I think district league 2 months. Officials speak Kalahili Sang guy, executives speak about 50 days. Treatment just 2 days back home. I really appreciate the entire team. Entire team, I'm grateful to you. At the end of the day, we are one community and one people. Let us start learning to live as one people and one community. Grow as one community, grow as one people. That is when no individual dreams look chungre. Iwi in a retreat, yaru in a nautre, yaru in nautre, yaru in a re. The people have to be first and we come next. Then we all grow as one. God bless our people. God bless this game and let our people grow as we are destined to reach. Thank you.
Shimara Utsana, Kangarana, Ray Saga, Ogo Fox, Big Showing, Ogo Naga.